The Berenstain Bears Down on the Farm by Stan and Jan Berenstain, an I Can Read Level 1 book. This way, please. We are on our way to visit our friend, Farmer Ben, today. There's Ben's farm just up ahead. As you can see, it's quite a spread. There's Ben himself feeding his stock, and there's Mrs. Ben feeding her flock, and there's Big Red, the rooster, making much ado about his big, loud cock-a-doodle-doo. Your farm is so big, says Ma, as big as can be. It reaches as far as the eye can see. Yes, it's a big 'un, said Ben. 100 acres, that's 10 times 10. We grow peas and beans and corn and wheat and all kinds of other good things to eat. But we have help. Shep, our sheepdog, herds our sheep. I cover a lot of ground in my trusty Jeep. My scarecrow keeps the crows away. And, of course, farm machines are here to stay. Our barn cat Bert keeps the mice away. As for milking, I still like to do it the old-fashioned way. Here, Brother Bear, give it a try. Oops, Brother gives Papa a squirt in the eye. I have a question, said Sister Bear. What is that tall thing over there? It's the silo, says Ben, where we store the wheat that we sell to folks who make things to eat, because wheat's what it takes to make flour that goes into bread, cookies, and cakes. Says Mrs. Ben, it's lunchtime. Please take your seats. Everyone sit down. I have some eats. And what a lunch it is! Farm fresh foods of every kind. For dessert, they munch watermelon down to the rind. But Brother has another question to ask. We can see that farming's a very big task. My question is this: is farming hard or is it fun? Says Ben. Is farming hard or is it fun? Well, it's not a job for everyone. There are hogs to slop, horses to feed, fences to mend, and gardens to weed, sheep to shear, fertilizer to spread. But when the sun goes down and the sky is red, when the livestock are all bedded down and fed, and I sit on the porch with Mrs. Ben, what was that question of yours again? Oh yes, is farming hard or is it fun? Well, yes, it is hard, but we love it, son. So I guess you might say farming's hard fun. Thanks for listening today. Please subscribe and like for more daily stories.